aloe vera, your secret weapon against acne.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to uncover the amazing benefits of using aloe vera for treating pimples or acne. Aloe vera is a plant with a rich history of use in skincare, dating back to ancient times. Its use for acne treatment is gaining recognition due to its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and healing properties. Let's delve into why aloe vera can be your secret weapon against acne.
Why is aloe vera beneficial for acne?
Acne is an inflammatory skin condition characterized by pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads. It occurs when the skin's sebaceous glands produce too much oil, causing pores to become clogged. Now, this is where aloe vera steps in. 1. Antibacterial properties. Aloe vera is known to contain compounds like polysaccharides and anthraquinones that have antibacterial properties. These compounds inhibit the growth of acne-causing bacteria, preventing breakouts. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. The gel of aloe vera is rich in enzymes, vitamins, and other compounds that possess anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce inflammation and redness associated with acne. 3. Wound healing properties. Aloe vera is renowned for its wound healing abilities. This is especially beneficial for healing acne lesions and preventing scar formation.
How to use aloe vera for acne?
Using aloe vera for acne treatment is simple. You can buy aloe vera gel from the store or get it directly from the plant. Apply it directly to the affected area and leave it overnight. Then rinse off in the morning. Remember, consistency is key to seeing results. Another popular method is to create a homemade aloe vera face mask. Mix equal parts aloe vera gel and lemon juice, apply it to the face, and leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes before washing it off. The citric acid from the lemon acts as an exfoliant, aiding in removing dead skin cells and unclogging pores. In conclusion, aloe vera has a lot to offer when it comes to acne treatment. With its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and healing properties, it serves as a natural, affordable, and easy-to-use solution to combat acne. Please remember to patch test any new products, including aloe vera, to ensure it suits your skin. We hope this information has been helpful and encourages you to incorporate aloe vera into your skincare routine. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and keep glowing.